If you're looking for the best ebook writer AI review out there, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to cover a lot of stuff. I'm going to quickly touch the bonuses that I talked about in a previous video. We're going to talk about the sales page itself. We're going to go into the back office and see the campaigns and how it works. And I also kind of want to show you some of the tutorials because it's going to give you a broader view of what you can actually do with this software. Now, first thing, I highly recommend going and checking out this video right here. After you're done with this video, of course, make $10,000 a month using this strategy, because in that one, I actually go in depth into how I'm using it in my business. Now, in this video, I'm going to stick more to a general review of the product, but that video is going to give some insights into how I'm using it, which could be helpful for you. Also, make sure to check out the bonus video. Both these videos will be linked in the description of this video. This is everything you're going to get if you decide to purchase Ebook Writer AI through my link down below. All you have to do is complete your purchase, email me at info@jakethornhill.com, and I'll send you those bonuses over. You don't pay a penny extra. It's 100% for free. I just get affiliate commission when you decide to purchase through my link. I'll quickly run through so you see what all the bonuses are, but there's a separate video that goes more in depth into these bonuses. So if you want to have like a better idea of what they are and why I picked them, make sure to check that video out. So we have bonus number 1, lead magnet conversions. Number 2, affiliate marketing school course. Number 3, copywriting expertise. Number 4, Instagram ad success. If you decide to get an upgrade, and they're really cheap upsells, but if you decide to get even one of any of them, I think one, doesn't matter. 6-figure digital products course, great course there. And 50 Canva advanced mockups, so you can take the cover that Ebook Writer AI actually gives you, and you can make any kind of template that you want. You can post it on a sales page. You can post it on social media. You can post it wherever you want, right? But you actually have really good mock-ups for whatever you create. So that'll be really helpful. All right, let's dive in. So this is actually how I heard about this, is this thing got a deal of the month on WarriorPlus, and it's getting a limited time promotion right now because of it, which is how I decided to actually pick it up. We have a lot going on. We're launching a coaching program beginning of September. I am running if you look at my channel, I'm making a lot of videos for the Offer Lab launch. I've got like 4 promotions I want to hit in the beginning of September, which is like a few days, because there's some really cool courses dropping so I had no intention of making content about this because everything was going to be going to stuff I already had planned, but I liked it so much and it's making already such a big difference in our business that it's worth sharing. So hopefully you get some value out of this. So Ebook Writer AI, it's the fastest way to create and publish profitable ebooks, no writing required. So we'll start by going through kind of their little promo video right here, which is going to give a good reference to the whole platform. They actually cover a lot of information right here. That way I don't have to go into quite as much depth when we get into the back end here in a second.
Is Ebook Writer AI your shortcut to creating real professional ebooks without having to write a single word yourself? Here's how it works. First, give your ebook a topic, a title, and a short description. Something simple. A few words is all it takes.
By the way, this context block right here, that is all the work you have to do. And all you have to do is go to ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT to provide you with that context box. Everything else is like check a box, add a title, add an author, and it's literally done for you. One little call out here, the video that we made right here, the very first campaign we ran from the time I pushed new campaign to the time it was submitted on KDP, absolutely from scratch, learning the platform, hadn't used KDP in a while. All of it was under 10 minutes. That is crazy, by the way.
Takes to get started. Choose if you want images added automatically to your ebook. Want to monetize? Automatically add affiliate link.
In little call out, the affiliate links is really a lot of how we're doing it. Obviously, we're affiliate marketers by the fact that we do a lot of bonus packages. If I didn't mention this, by the way, anytime you ever buy anything online, make sure to email me at info@jakethornhill.com. I bet I can beat any other bonus package out there. Either I already have a bonus stack ready for you, or if I don't, I'll make one to make sure you want to buy through my link. It's kind of like what we do. So I do a lot of affiliate marketing. So the ability to input affiliate links automatically, you can put it in the footer, or you can attach it to a specific keyword. So the recent ebook we did the first one we did was OfferLab. So we didn't do this because OfferLab shows up too many times, but you can make it so every time OfferLab shows up in the book, it automatically gets blue hyperlinked to your affiliate link. Really cool. Then you run it on KDP, run it on a free promotion, and that's just free traffic to your affiliate link. And there's a billion. I mean, you can put your ebook / lead magnet on Reddit, on Quora, on Facebook groups, right? Like, obviously be subtle about some of that, but people are a lot less likely to like kick you out for spam when you're sharing a free copy of a helpful guide as opposed to just sharing an affiliate link. So there's so many things you can do with that.
Links based on keywords, or drop in your own links manually later. Choose how many pages you want. 20, 50, even 100 plus. You're in control.
Pages.
Pick the
That's
AI model you
crazy.
want to use. GPT-40, Claude, Gemini, and others are all available. Select your audience, writing style, and language. Need a casual tone? Formal? Professional? Easy. Now choose your formatting options. Fonts, layout, spacing, and if you want an AI-generated cover image, just click once. Or upload your own. Hit generate.
One of the big ones too is I found some other stuff similar, but never anything that created an actual good AI-generated cover image, and this created a very good image.
And let Ebook Writer AI take care of the rest. Your ebook is created page by page, complete with a table of contents, chapters, formatting, links, and images. And yes, you can edit anything before downloading. Change the title, rewrite a section, add images and links, whatever you want. Download your ebook and use it for Kindle, lead magnets, list building,
so nice.
or sell it directly. You pay once for a set amount of credits each month. Your credits renew every month. No subscriptions, no hidden fees. Just an easier way to create ebooks month after month. Go ahead and choose your plan below. Ebook Writer AI.
Okay, so each of these books took less than 10 minutes. They were generated by the AI. The AI generated these covers as well, which is crazy. That's one of the coolest parts to me, is like these are really good covers to be created. One of my favorite things here too is like this is a one-time payment. It's not a subscription fee. In fact, I think actually he posted that book. I'm going to pull this up. I'm curious if it takes it to the Amazon listing. It sure. Oh, this is cool. So this is one of the upgrades. This actually allows you to collect. I didn't even plan on going here, but I didn't know that's what this pulled up. This actually allows you to collect reviews on your book, and by doing so, collect leads. So you can turn it into a little Flipbook. And I like to come in here and turn the sound off because I don't want that. But you have this like really cool looking Flipbook where you can just read it right here. Like, how cool is that? Now that's not for everybody. That's a special use case. But the ability to collect leads with it, he doesn't have that turned on for this one. But it's like when you go to exit out, a little lead form pops up and says like, will you leave a review of this book or whatever? So you have commercial rights to it. The credits roll over every month. So we'll see the credits in a second. But it is only a one-time payment. And then free Amazon KDP training, which is really helpful. I'll show you that in a second as well. One of my favorite things too is I've tried this strategy. We were actually doing this strategy with another software, but it would take hours to create a single ebook and get it posted. And the quality's no different. One of the big ones for us is the fact that this actually automatically formats it in EPUB. So that's what Kindle actually wants it to be downloaded in. So it's an instant download in the format they want. It still blows my mind how easy this was. 10 minutes from the time I started campaign to it being posted on KDP. So premium AI content, you got your image generation, adding affiliate links, multiple AI models so you can choose whichever one you want to use. There's an editor so you can go in and edit. You have all of your testimonials down here. Like, oh, that's just really cool. Like, what a cool book to be made completely with AI, even the cover. Man. Human like writing tones. Yeah, you can pick your writing tone. You can change the layout. So there's a few defaults of how you want your layout. There's also some defaults of what the pages look like. This is the full demo video. So when you go down the link in the description, and again, make sure when you decide to buy using that link that you email me at info@jakethornhill.com so I can send you your bonuses. But when you go down into that link, you might want to scroll down and watch the longer demo version where
ebooks using this
a longer version of what they went over in the top one.
We're going to add some images, audience, kind of a funny book. Next,
I think was covered in the original,
so I can take a look at it and see what. And here's the lazy person's guide.
So here's what was created though. I mean, that's a really cool cover image. And you can go in and if, like, let's say you want to change one, like you want to change that image, you can change that. And this is what I was talking about. You come into the downloads on the back end, and there's the EPUB and the PDF version, so you can download whichever one you want. You can come in, you can edit. It's really awesome. There's so many ways to use it. Lead gen, affiliate marketing, email marketing boost, really cool gifts to give away to your subscribers, even when they're already on your list. Just giving away free stuff is really helpful. You could create an ebook on the best, I'm in affiliate marketing, so the best autoresponder, and you go over all of them and you have affiliate links to all the different autoresponders. Just something good value to provide to your audience. Sales funnel enhancements. It'd be a cool one-click upsell. So here are all your plans. All of these are one-time purchases. If you don't know how you'll use it yet, grab the WarriorPlus special. That's fine. To me, this was such a no-brainer. $97 for a one-time purchase. It was an easy decision, and that's unlimited monthly credits. I'll never run out, and I can just use this as many times as I want. KDP allows you to post up to 3 times per day, so my team and I will just be constantly posting. Again, go back after this video and watch this video, and I'll show you exactly what my team and I are doing, and you're welcome to copy it. It's going to be sad when you take some of my sales by copying my strategy, but you are going to purchase through my link, so you can get awesome free bonuses. So at least I get something out of it, I suppose. Oh, here's how the credit system works. Obviously, credits depend upon how many pages you use. So 5,000 isn't bad until you start like actually chunking out bigger pieces of content. So that's why, for $97, it's a one-time payment. Why wouldn't you? You can create just about anything. I'm not going to go through all those. And then once you get back here into the campaign, pretty straightforward. So I think I got 3 of the 4 upsells. Research is the only one I didn't get. I probably will pick it up later. So you can see I got the Flipbook. I got the audio generation because you can actually turn this into audiobooks as well. And I got the YouTube-URL. This is so cool. You could go online and find like a 4-hour course over a topic, grab the URL and let an ebook be created about that course. Like, it is crazy how cool that is. This might have been one of the things that actually sold me on the whole product. But this is the one thing I didn't pick up. I will probably end up picking it up now because the team and I are doing so much KDP stuff with it. Originally, I thought I was going to use this component more. But when I got into it and saw the affiliate link piece, I'm like, oh, this is actually a wild hack. So let me go back to campaigns. And you can go through the background images to see a lot of templates. You can click tutorials up here, and it'll take you to this playlist. Let's see. A lot of stuff here that goes over all the different questions you could have. Down here, he walks you through how to, I'm going to mute that, but he walks you through how to set it up on KDP. It's a 15-minute video, and it is so straightforward. So he ran a free promo and had like 233 downloads doing this. And you can post 3 of these a day. You can pump out so much content. And then by the end of the promotion, it's actually ranking because it got so many free downloads, it got reviews, and then starts making sales. The ability to find very niche things that no one's written about inside of Amazon and crank out a video in no time is it's an awesome opportunity. So it's one of those softwares that is definitely worth picking up, especially because it's such a steal of a price. Make sure to email me at info@jakethornhill.com when you use that link down in the description so I can send you all these bonuses. I would hate for you to buy and not get access to the bonus, but I don't have a way to automatically send it to you, so it has to be manual because I have to make sure, like, did you get the upsell, all that stuff. So, all right, hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Make sure to subscribe. A lot more videos coming. Make sure to check out The video I just made, like right before this, was the bonus video where I talk more in depth about the bonuses, or go watch this video of how to make 10K with AI ebooks. Will be really helpful for you as well. And I will see you very soon on the next video.